This is the before. I feel like my layers are a little bit wonky. It came out so good. I'm literally so happy because there's no worse feeling than going to a salon and not feeling good when you walk out. Today is haircut day. I'm excited to spend the day together. Hopefully I'm not too shy to actually vlog in the salon, but I'm literally so happy to finally be going to the salon. It's been almost 2 years since I went to the salon. I've done my own DIY haircuts here and there, but I just feel like ever since I gave birth to my son, my hair has changed so much, and I just really am looking for something different. Like, I definitely want to color it, but we're gonna do one step at a time because I'm going to a new person, so I want to kind of like test the waters, you know. From what I've seen, she's done really great work and I'm so excited. But you guys know how it is to go to get your hair done, especially if you're a curly girl. It could be very, let's take it one step at a time, because I don't want to get myself into something and then regret it, you know. I have an idea of what I want, but I want somebody to tell me, girl, this is what you need, this is what's going to look good, etc, etc. But let's go ahead and get ready. I actually recently got some new products from Versed. All this stuff is new to me. I'm not sure how like long it's been out, but Versed, if you know, is a skincare brand, and they recently launched their makeup line. So I picked up this skin tint. I have a blush here. I really love this little lip product from them. And then also I finally got a new brush because the one that I was using is probably like 5 years old and never's been washed. Seriously. So yeah, this is the skin tint. It has SPF 40. It's really lightweight. It literally feels like skincare as makeup, and I love that as like a minimal makeup type of girl. This is in the color shade 60, and I believe it's under the category like neutral olive. I'm really not sure what my actual color is. Sometimes I feel like I'm more golden. Sometimes I feel like I'm more neutral tones, but I like to just put a little bit on my hand, and this is what the color looks like on my hand. And I really love this brush to apply it, but I just go in with my fingers first and tap it all around. Sorry, you guys can hear my son listening to his show in the back because I really don't have a lot of time and I need to keep him distracted. Also, you guys see this white patch on my face? Literally has been getting bigger and bigger. I don't know what that is. At first I was thinking it was what is that called? Vitiligo. I was thinking it was like the beginning of vitiligo because I heard that it can actually start forming when you go through like high stress situations. And to be honest, the past 2 years of my life have been the most stressful, hardest years of my life, I would say. And this is literally when this started forming. Like when I got pregnant, you can go back and see my videos. Like it started off this tiny little thing and it has grown and grown and grown over the past 2 years. And I'm just like scared that this is just the beginning and next year I'm gonna have another spot on my face. I don't know. And I even tried, I think it's like an antifungal cream. That didn't work. I tried it for like 2 weeks and have seen no difference. So I just kind of stopped taking it. I don't know if I should do it longer, but I don't know. But this is what the skin tint looks like. Literally just your skin, but better. Next, I'm gonna use this blush stick. I got mine in the color Cozy, which is kind of like a, I don't know, a plum color. I love these kind of blushes. I like to tap the brush on the blush, to apply it to my skin. I woke up and made myself a coffee because I literally slept like 3 hours last night. Last night was one of the worst nights I had in a while with my son just not wanting to sleep. It was rough, very rough. And then this might be my favorite product right now from the Versed makeup collection. It is the tinted lip serum, and it just feels so nice on your lips. It actually like lasts a long time. Like my lips still feel hydrated after a few hours. And I got mine in the color Compliment. And I think it compliments me very well. This is the final look. I feel like I look a little pale. I don't know if it's just because I'm right in front of the window, but I really do need a tan. But this is the final look. I love the way that my skin feels. I don't feel like I have a lot of makeup on. That is the one thing that I don't like about makeup and foundation, is that I hate when you can feel it on your skin. It makes me want to rip my skin off. So yeah, I like the way that this feels. I like the way that it looks, like the finish of everything. I'll link the products if you're interested. Not sponsored or anything. This is literally free promo, but I gotta get going. One last little before of my hair because I'm not sure what footage I'll actually get at the salon, but this is the before. I feel like my layers are a little bit wonky because, like I said, I've done a bunch of DIY haircuts myself and it's just looking very blonde. This is what the back looks like. currently sitting in the parking lot of the salon, and I'm like 20 minutes early, but I'm gonna show you guys some of my inspo pics. And this is for haircut, like length, shape, and color maybe, because I want to make another appointment as soon as possible to color my hair. And I'm thinking I want to do like reddish brown, like reddish chocolate brown. I'm not exactly sure. I'm gonna see if we can do like some kind of consultation while I'm in here today. But here's the inspo that I sent. Like, look at this round shorter length. I love that. This one too is a shorter length. I'm just scared that it might be a little too short, but I love these, especially this one. I love the color, length, shape. This one's really pretty as well, not so red. This is probably not gonna happen, but super pretty, very red. But you guys see what I'm going for as far as the length and everything. I'm here with Alaysia.
Hi.
And she's gonna be cutting my hair today, and we're gonna go over what we're gonna do to it. I showed them the inspo pics that I just showed you.
Okay.
But like she mentioned, I don't think we're gonna go to short as like
what she was kind of showing me. Yeah. So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna shorten up the base length here, because you know, from her cutting her hair herself over these years, it just kind of looks disconnected, and she has like a tail going on here. So I would say we're just gonna shorten up the base length, shorten up the layers, and then focus on her face framing pieces, just to kind of connect her hair all together and give her that volume, that shape that she's looking for.
Because I definitely want something like new and different, but I don't want to be shook. Like I've had those
crazy,
too many experiences where I get out the hair salon and I'm like, no, this is not what I wanted. But
no, girl, I definitely get it. But no, because I feel like the first picture you were showing me, that was kind of short.
Yeah.
And I'm like, that you would have been like, oh, like this is too much. And I know sometimes like when people show me pictures, I feel like I have to go in depth about it, because like they like the shape but not necessarily like the length itself. So I'm like
I want to go to somebody and they be like, this will look good on you, not just like, hey, I want this, and they do it. Like, tell me what looks good.
Exactly. So, but I think more so, since what we're kind of going for is still keeping that length, but still kind of pop out like your face features. So I think it will look good on you. I have a vision for you, girl.
Okay.
Here. Is that okay for you right there? Yeah. So where are you from? Are you from here?
I'm originally from Reading.
From Reading?
Yeah, I grew up in Reading. I live in Harrisburg though now, so.
Oh, okay.
It's like a 40-minute drive. Are you from the area?
I am. I'm born and raised here, but my family, they're from Puerto Rico.
Oh yeah, same.
Oh, you are?
I'm Puerto Rican and Dominican.
Oh, you are? Okay. I'm just Puerto Rican. I love it.
Do you speak Spanish fluently?
I mean, I do, but I wouldn't say like I'm 100% fluent. Are you fluent?
No, I mean, I definitely grew up no sabo.
Yeah, no sabo kid.
I definitely grew up no sabo, but I've been trying for like years. I've always been like, not mad at my mom, but like, girl, you speak fluent. Why don't your kids speak Spanish? You know,
literally.
And I tell people I'm not no sabo. I'm a receptive bilingual.
That's it. I love that.
It makes me feel better. I definitely try to be in there for too long.
No, that I feel like I give it to y'all for doing that, because I feel like I wouldn't be able to. You can sit up all the way. I'm just gonna put this towel around you.
Do you do like a specific cut, or is it?
What do you mean?
I don't know, like people do like the resource cut, the texture cut, the
honestly,
cut,
like when it comes to that, I think it's just more so the brand name behind it. It's a lot of those cuts involve dry cutting.
I always wondered that, because I be looking on people's pages, like there's so many different options, and I'm like, girl, I don't know, I just want a haircut.
No.
So I was in YouTube for like 7 years.
Really? Yeah. Oh, I love
I've
that.
been doing it for a minute, and I love YouTube. YouTube's like my favorite social media.
They are. I would say, girl, I tried to get into YouTube, but I feel
it's
like
so much harder. It's a lot more work.
Yes, I would say. Okay.
I started doing TikTok like a few years ago, and I really started with like the curly content. That's when I started my YouTube too. Recently, I haven't been messing with my hair, and I really haven't been into TikTok, because that's all I used to post. I feel like That's what people like to see. They don't like my little vlogs on TikTok.
Right. They want the long. Had like started maybe like 2 years ago, but and it was just me explaining like my curly hair journey.
Yeah.
Just like, because my hair was completely damaged before. Like I used to straighten it, bleach it every single day. So I was just kind of showing pictures of like my progress, explaining like, you know, how to have curly hair, how to start your, you know, curly hair journey, all that stuff. And I'm assuming from there, but I don't know, I feel like that's very popular. Like anything like in the curly hair industry, there's so much people out there that still don't know how to start or don't know what products to use, how to take care of their curls, none of that. So I feel like that was like, oh, okay, like I feel like there's, you know, there's potential here.
So these are the products that she used to style from AG. And what is this one?
That's the lightweight gel.
A lightweight gel.
There we go.
We're about to diffuse right now and see the final result.
Fast, like just right over. Yep, there you go. I'm just gonna grab some oil and I'm gonna separate some of the curls real quick. Oh my goodness.
This is the final result. And I love it. Basically took off all the little straggly pieces and it looks so good. It literally looks so different. I love it.
This is one of the pictures, but then that's the before. And I'm like, oh my goodness, girl. It does. I'm like, it still looks nice and full. I'm like, I love. Because I'm like, before, it was just more like the little strangling ends. But oh my god, like how fuller it looks now.
Yeah, I love it so much.
So cute.
Well, if you're in the local area, you should book with her. 100%. 100%. Thank you so much. I'm back home now. This is the final result of my hair. It came out so good. I'm literally so happy. So happy because there's no worse feeling than going to a salon and not feeling good when you walk out. And I feel so good. Literally, this is exactly what I needed. And I was telling Alaysia that she literally just relaunched my curly hair career because look at this. All I needed was a professional haircut to love my curls again. Yeah, this is your sign. Stop doing the DIY haircuts and go book a curly haircut. And if you're in the area, in or around Lancaster, PA, definitely book with her. Honestly, it was such a great salon experience and I'm very happy with my hair and just the experience overall. And I'm literally so excited to book with her to get some color done. I really want to do like a cherry chocolate color. I'm not sure. I'm really nervous about that, but I feel so comfortable going back to her. This is what my hair looks like from the back. And hopefully this video comes together well because my camera died 2 times when I was in there. But thanks for spending the day with me. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye.